Okay, this is a press number 99. It's a 30-ton 4-post up-acting press. Has a double-acting cylinder in it, so it also pulls down. It's got a self-contained power unit and control buttons on the front. Has a power on-off e-stop button. It has a motor start button and an up or down button. You have to hold the motor start button and the up or the down button to make the press move, so both hands are used. The press, once it clamps up, is got pilot operated checks on it, so it locks up and holds. It'll hold either pulling down or hold pushing up, and you build up the pressure that you want for the necessary tonnage, and then you can release it and it'll stay there. I'm going to go ahead and this is 120 volts, plugs in the wall, takes a 20 amp to 30 amp outlet, 20 amp outlet. I'm going to go ahead and run it up, run it down. Because the cylinder is double acting, it can be bottomed right out. It's currently at 30 tons right now and holding. I'll go ahead and release it. You might hear a squeak. That's the pilot operated checks releasing. That's normal. The motor start button is on the left side of the box. The up and down buttons are on the right side. You have to push the motor start button and the up or down to run the press. If either is released, it stops. So both hands are always used to function the press. That completes the machine number 99.